Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can put images side by side in your documents on Google Docs like you see here in that example. It is super simple, guys, so let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do, the first step is head over to Google Docs and launch a new document. So let me delete these two photos for the sake of this tutorial first. So what you want to do after that is click on Insert here, hover your mouse over Image, and select Upload from Computer, for example, to upload the first image from your device or from Google Drive, for example. And let me do that really quickly. Locate it on your device. After that, place it here anywhere you like on your document, just like that. So let me adjust its size by left clicking on its edge or corner, just like that. You may also click on that option below your image, wrap text, so that you will be given the opportunity to move your image freely around here. So that's the first step. In the second step, guys, simply repeat the first step. Left click here next right to the first image to place or to put your image here, your second image, and repeat the same process. Click on Insert, select Image, select Upload from Computer, locate it on your device, add it to your document, and after that click on Wrap Text below your picture so that you may customize it and position it freely. So after that, simply adjust the position and the size of it, position it here next to your first image, and that's it, guys. That's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.